Hey, what's up guys? So, I've been working very hard getting my patterns organized and analyzed to see which ones I can combine. And I'm just about ready to start cutting the helmet out of the foam. And that being the case, I'm going to run you guys real quick through a little preview, just show you a couple of materials and a couple of tools I'll be using. So, anyway, here we go. First thing we got here is patterns. I started with Pepakura files, and I just been cutting them out, and once I cut those out of foam, these are going to fit together just like a jigsaw puzzle, and it should turn into a helmet if I did it all right. And we'll see. The primary material that I'll be using for this project is this. It is simple EVA foam, comes in sheets, usually in puzzle mats, hence the little things on the top here. You can get it in most places like Home Depot, Kmart, a number of places are carrying it now. It's pretty easily accessible. Stuff's really nice. You can actually shape it with a heat gun. Once you cut it up, you can mold it with heat, and once you glue it, it holds the shape really well. That's nice stuff. The other foam I use is craft foam, or also known as fun foam, kids foam. There's a couple other names for it. You get it, Walmart carries it, Michael's, different places like Art Supply. It's usually about a 1/16 of an inch thick, and it's got very similar properties to EVA foam. So it works essentially the same, and it's really nice to work with. One thing to note about both of these is they're exceedingly lightweight, so they're very, very comfortable if you're making different cosplays out of them. Really nice stuff to work with. Main adhesive, gotta have the hot glue. Very important. The other adhesive, when it's you want to stick the foam to anything else, E6000 adhesive, that's what you use. Described as the only adhesive in the world you can glue a badger to your face. This stuff holds. Next, this big sucker right here is actually a 1/2 inch thick sheet of clear polycarbonate. I'm going to be using this stuff to cut the core support for the horn up on top of the helmet, and I'm going to cover that with more of the EVA foam. That way I can shape it and it'll be the proper dimensions. To cut that polycarbonate, it's actually a bulletproof plastic. A little extreme, I know. I selected that simply because it'll be sturdy. If it gets bumped, it's not going to break. To cut it, simple coping saw. I don't have a bandsaw. This takes quite a while, but it's worth it, and it's not that hard. Just go slow. It is fine tooth. Anytime you cut plastic, it's got to be fine tooth, otherwise it'll chip and tear it up. Last little bit of the preview for the evening is this little gem right here. I actually imported a set of these from Japan. These are Jika Tabi boots. They're split-toed, and they're going to work perfect because the Guyver actually has a split-toed foot. And these are very comfortable, they're lightweight, and they're not hot because the top is all solid canvas. So they're very cool to wear. So, there we have it. I'm going to get to work now.